I got a $10,000 raise and became one of the most organized people at my company by using this automated task tracker. And I just made some updates, and now it's even easier to use. One of the biggest updates is that it's now in table form, so you can easily toggle between different save views. For example, if I want to see all of my tasks grouped by their task focus, I can make that happen. If I want to see just my top priority tasks, I can make that happen as well. And this allows you to focus on the tasks that you want to focus on without dealing with all the clutter. When I start a task, I mark it as pending, and when I complete a task, I mark it as done, and it will automatically move from the task list to the bottom of the Done tab. And that will automatically update my visualization so I can see exactly where I'm spending my time. Another big update is the recurring tasks are now on this separate tab. And there's a time-based automation where every night when it rolls over to a new date, the task for that date will automatically be added to the Done tab. And that way, it'll be waiting for you when you arrive. I ran that manually just so you can see an example, but it would run automatically, of course. And now on the bottom of the task list, we have all of our recurring tasks for the day. I updated the priorities to be in numerical order as well, so that way I can simply sort the column from A to Z, and it will sort by the priority with the most important up top. If I'm not ready to work a task at this time, I can mark it as parked, and it will be removed from the task list and moved to the bottom of the park tab. At whatever time I am ready, I can select ready, and it will move from the park tab back to the bottom of the task list. As I go through the process of completing the task, timestamps will appear. When I mark a task as pending, a timestamp will appear under task started, and when I mark it as done, it will appear under task completed before clearing out and moving to the bottom of the Done tab. In the Done tab, I have a list of every single task that I've completed over time. And in my Visualizations tab, I can see exactly what I've been focusing on each week as well as month. I have a full tutorial showing exactly how to build this from scratch on YouTube, or you can go to the link in my bio to go to my shop to get the template. Like and comment for more.